My name is Paraz. I am from SharepointEmpower. Today, I'll be giving a brief video understanding of one of our product, Learning Management Portal. Like all our other product, Learning Management Portal is also Microsoft 365 certified. We had been awarded by Microsoft security team for following the best data handling, security, compliance, privacy, and identity practices. This ensures that the customer data is protected. Now let's start with the key feature of Learning Management Portal. So Learning Management Portal is a great tool to onboard, upskill, create knowledge base, FAQs, e-learnings specific for the private organization. The organization can create their own private courses specifically designed for different departments, different location, as well as different categories. The main important feature of any product is the data. Like all our other products, Learning Management Portal data is securely stored on Microsoft 365 Cloud of the customer. So data is securely stored and the privacy of data is managed. We can create custom courses specific for the organization based on the requirement. The course also offer tailored that include quiz as well as certificate download after the course is completed. The admin user as well as the logged in user can see their progress report as well as detailed reports. There is ability to also have the auto enrollment of the courses. A quiz can be also configured for the course by the admin user. All the different types of multimedia content such as YouTube, all the multimedia platform embedded URL, documents, PDF, PowerPoint slides are directly supported. That also include the SharePoint document library, different types of files and format. It is a great tool to onboard the employee, and we can create very great easily employee onboarding courses. We have provided all the important reporting and analytical tools. There is ability to also import and export the training content, as well as we can export the content from any external CSV or Excel file. There is customization option of theme and switching of light and dark theme is present. Like all our other products, Learning Management Portal is also supporting all the different geological languages throughout the world. It is also responsive in nature. What that does mean is we can access Learning Management Portal directly from Microsoft Teams, mobile, Android, iOS, tablet, and all the modern browsers and devices. It is also supporting SharePoint, Power Automate, Flow, Power BI, Outlook, and OneDrive. This is the landing page when any user logs into the LMP portal. By default, they will be able to see all the courses that they are allowed to view or enroll. The user can enroll into new course if they are not by clicking on this plus icon. If they are already enrolled, this icon will appear like this. The user can switch between the list view and grid view. They can search any specific course and apply the filter. They will be able to see the course content, such as the name of the course, the category, the duration, the rating. If they go to My Courses, these are the courses where they are actually enrolled. They will be able to see the percentage of progress that they have made. They can click on any course and the course content will be shown. By default, our app supports all the different types of multimedia content such as SharePoint page, any embedded URL of the videos, SharePoint document libraries such as Word, PPT, PDF. There is also support for LinkedIn course or any external course or embed that is directly supporting a URL. So here the user can see the course content on the right hand side. There are 6 training modules. Currently I am on the first module and I can navigate the multimedia content. I can see the overview of this specific training module. I can make a note for myself to revise or any personal note for any future perspective. If there are any FAQs, important link that is provided as a part of training module, they will appear here. As an end user, I can also raise any queries for a course, to elaborate, to share more details, to have any queries, any specific questions for this course. I can put my course questions, and that will be triggered or notified to the admin user, and they can give any solution for the specific questions. Here on the top, I'll be able to see the complete progress of this training. So I've completed 4 out of 6 lectures. It will be shown here. If I click on next, it will navigate me to the next training module. I can also navigate from here. I can navigate on the right hand side to see each individual training module. This is an example where the LinkedIn course is shown directly into our module. In a YouTube video, this is an example of PPT file, the last one. So here the actual PPT is being shown. And it can be also into a full screen or any other mode which is supported. The user has also ability to change the color mode from dark to light and light to dark. If I go to my progress report, this is where I'll be able to see the progress of trainings that I'm enrolled, and I'll be able to give the rating to the training, and I can also see my progress report and download any quiz, any other content that I need to by clicking on this export button. Now let's navigate to the admin panel. The admin user will see this icon. Clicking on that icon will open the admin panel. By default, all the courses present in the organization in LMP will be shown to the admin user. Admin can switch between group by view and list view, table view by this icon. Here we will be able to see all the courses and their trainings and any quiz that has been configured. The FAQs can be also configured for any course. If I expand this, I'll be able to see different training modules that are present and configured in the system. These are the existing courses present in the organization. If user wants to create a new course, they can click on new, and by filling in the details of the course such as course name, category, language, users, this is mean to define or target any user whom the course will be visible. If it is blank, by default the course will be visible to all the users. The course overview contains the short and long description. What users will learn will be basically the tags that user will learn: e-commerce, security awareness, onboarding training. After adding the course detail, user can add the training details, which are the actual modules and quiz and FAQs. There is preview option once the course is created and defined. If I open or edit any of the course, for example, OS Top 10 Security, I can click here on the course, and actually it will show us the actual preview on how the end user will be experiencing this course. So in the course overview, we have the course name. This can be edited directly from here. The description, the skills. This course includes the tags. And on right hand side, these are the actual training module. If you want to edit any training module, we can click on edit training. If you want to add new training content, we can just add new training content, and new training content form will be added for this particular course. Whenever a new training content is added, we can define the training name. The resource URL are actually the multimedia contents that can be a YouTube video, PPT, PDF, documents, any video streams from online platforms that provide embeds. There is also support for SharePoint page to be integrated along with any external platforms such as LinkedIn, eLearnings. So we have support for all the resource URL, which will render the multimedia content on the fly within that document. Here we can give the course walkthrough, any attachments or documents, any reference links that can be the part of the training content. If I go to the training, this will be the actual preview of how the course will be shown to the end user. So the end user will be able to see whatever we are drafting here, and at any level if we need to edit any of the content or any video or any multimedia content, it can be just by clicking this edit icon. We can also click from here and it will open the form, and we can change any resource URL or any content of the training specific module. Here we can also see that per course we are showing the 10 lectures that are modules that are present. We can see the questions. So if I click on questions here, all the questions will be loaded, and we can navigate to the questions, and there is also edit functionality to edit any questions directly from the screen. We can also add new questions from the screen directly. The admin user can also add new categories. They can also add new admin user and provide the ability to the admin user to add or configure the course for the specific department, for the specific or team, company, organization. If we come to the reporting part, there is option of progress report, which will show the progress report will show the course-wise progress of different users and their percentage of progress, enrollment date, rating. You can also filter based on specific course. So if I want to see uh, the report of any course, we can just apply filter of that course, and we will be getting the details of the users enrolled. Similarly, we can also get update based on a user. So if we select any user, then we will be able to see the progress made by all those users on different course. So a high level of details of progress. In case if we need detailed summary based on any duration or based on any user, we can just select the duration here in detailed summary, and we'll be able to see this quarter active users and whatever their daily task and updates are present. We can also apply a filter based on user and see the progress made by that user over the period of time. There is also an option here where the queries raised by the learners or the students or the course enrollment people are being present. So we can see the queries and we can answer the queries and act respondly to any questions being raised on any of the course module. The admin user can also select the setting icon and configure the app, such as they can configure the name of the application, icons, colors, photo settings, header settings. In the general setting, they can also select some theme related changes, whether to show quiz, the reminder emails, as well as the display settings for controlling the overall page and the layout. They can also configure the default language. By default, our application is supporting all the languages throughout the globe, so default language can be also configured by the admin user. Portal, like our all other products, is directly supported in Microsoft Teams. From Microsoft Teams mobile device, iPad, iPhones, tablets, Android device, or any modern device, the Learning Management Portal is directly supported, and all the features are directly accessible from the mobile device as well as tablet device.